Hello everyone, I am Prakash Korekar from Jodhpur. Today I will explain about collection. Means what is collection? Introduction collection in Java. The collection in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all the operators that you perform on a data, such as searching, storing, inserting, manipulation, and deleting. Java collection means a single unit of object. Java collection framework provides many interfaces, that means sets, list, queue, tag, dequeue, and class, array list, vector, linked list, provider, priority, quality, hash set, link hash set, tree set. What is collection in Java? A collection represent a single unit of object. For example, a group. A group. What is a framework in Java? It provide ready-made architecture. It represent a set of classes and interfaces. It is but it is optional. Mm, what is collection framework in collection framework? Collection framework represent a unit architecture for store and manufacturing a group of object. It has interfaces and its implementation. For example, collection interface. The collection interface is the interface which is implemented by all the classes in the collections framework. A declaration that method that very collection will have. In other words, we can say that the collection interfaces builds the uh, fundamental of which the collection framework depends. uh, Iterator interfaces, uh, Teradata interfaces provides the facilities of entering the elements in a forward direction. Only linked list implementation, the collection interfaces. It use a Adobe include include a list internally to store the element. It can store the duplicate element. It maintain the insertion order, and it not synchronization in linked list. The manipulation is fast because no shifting is required. Always array list, the array list class implementation, the list interfaces. It used to dynamical array to store the duplicate element of different data types. The array list classes maintain the insertion order, and the non synchronization, the elements stored in the array list classes can be randomly accessed. Consider the following. Explain. Set implementation. Set implementation is Java is present in Java Java.util.package. It explained the collection interfaces. It representation of. So thank you much.